Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we will be looking at this Kinder Joy pack of 3 edition, and this is Natoons Discover the Animals collection. We'll just open it and see how it is from inside and what we get in this pack. You can see the pack is little bit damaged, but that's okay. We'll just open them and see one by one. Okay, we have got a rhino over here, guys. So this one looks good, and this comes with some parts, and there is a one manual also how to fix them, right? Let's do it. I think it's pretty easy. This one is the first part over here. Right, and this is the second part. Oh, you have to put the second part first. Yeah, this one is looks firm. Actually, the plastic quality is very good. So this is a nice collectible, actually, guys. The eyes is very beautiful. Let's put it on this stand. I think you can put from any side. Let me just place it. I think like that you can place it. Yeah, perfect. This one is good. Let's see the next one. What is this? Oh, we have got a tiger, guys, and second collection only we have got a tiger. So yeah, let's place it. This one is little bit trickier. Okay, so this is a better trickier side. You have to fix this one here first. Okay, the upper part of this body, and then move it like this. Get the other piece and just try to place from here. Okay, from the start, and then slightly move it to fix it over here. There is one hole below here. Okay, and then you can fix it like this. Okay, yeah. So our tiger is ready, guys. Right, there's a fat tiger. Do we have anything else with it? No, just this one. Okay, this one is also good. Let's see the last one now. This is a little bit damaged, but it's okay. Oh, this is different. Kind of swan, I think. Okay, that is the other part. Yeah, to place it like here, and then this part will go here. Yeah, looks beautiful. I like this animal series, guys. So let me clean it up from here a little bit. Then we'll place all three together.